Okay, let us take some examples of on so that you will come to know how to use it. If I say I was born on Saturday, this will be a good example of preposition. Okay, I was born on Saturday, she was born on Tuesday, they were born on Sundays. Okay, so to talk about day, we use on. At the same time, to talk about dates, we can use on. For example, India got freedom on 15th August 1947. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. So this can also be an example. Let us take some more examples. Okay, let us take some more examples. You can also say she was born on 26th January 1986. She was born on 26th January 1986. He was born on 5th December 2018. He was born on 5th December 2018. Okay. To talk about something is there on the surface, you can use on. A book is there on the table. A water bottle is there on the table. A photo is hung on the wall. A photo is hung on the wall. So you can use on to talk about days, to talk about dates. At the same time, when there is something on the surface of an object, to talk about that, you can use on. Now let us go ahead and discuss where to use preposition at. We can use preposition at to talk about a particular point or a location of something, and to talk about precise time. Precise time. Now, which are the conditions that we can use preposition at? First is to talk about precise time. Second is to talk about a point. Okay. And third is to talk about a location. Point and a location. Now, let us take some examples so that you will get a clear idea of how to use preposition at. The first example, I can say the train arrives at 12 o'clock every day. The train arrives at 12 o'clock every day. He left the school at 5 o'clock. He left the school at 5 o'clock. The school closes at 5:30. The school closes at 5:30. All these examples show that there is a precise time of an action. So if you know an exact time of an action, you can talk about that by using the preposition at. To talk about a location, we can use a preposition at. Let us take some examples. For example, I can say she is at home now. She is at home now. He is at office now. He is at office now. Or that boy is at shop now. That boy is at shop now. So to talk about location, you can use preposition at. At the same time, to talk about a point, you can use preposition at. You cannot say my mother is at bus stop now. My mother is at the bus stop now. Somebody is waiting there at the door. Somebody is waiting there at the door. You can also say she has arrived at the railway station. She has arrived at the railway station. So you can use at to talk about a point of something. So let us go to the next preposition which is used, and that is in. We can use in, preposition in, to talk about an enclosed space. To talk about an enclosed space. For example, my sister lives in America, so she is not away from that particular country. So she is in the US only. She is in the US only. To talk about that, you can use what? In. My sister lives in America, so she lives in that area of that particular place or country. You can say the US, and at the same time you can say I live in Kolhapur. I live in Kolhapur. She lives in Belgavi. She lives in Belgavi. We live in India. We live in India. So we are not anywhere else. We are in the country India. So to talk about that enclosed space, or at the same time you can say there is water in the bottle. There is water in the bottle. There are some students in the class. There are some students in the class. So these examples show that we can use preposition in to talk about an enclosed space. At the same time, to talk about months, you can use months, you can use preposition in. For example, I was born in June. She was born in July. They were born in December. They were born in December. India got freedom in August. We celebrate Independence Day in August. We celebrate Republic Day in January. So like this, you can talk about a month. By using preposition in, you can talk about a month also. Now you can also use in to talk about year. You can also use in to talk about year. For example, I was born in 1989. Rita was born in 1986. He was born in 2005. Okay, to talk about year also you can use preposition in. Even you can use preposition in to talk about ages. Okay, I can meet her in the future. They fought the war in the past. They fought the war in the past. Okay, there is something difficult in the present. There is something difficult in the present. Everybody is facing corona problem in the present time. In the present time. So to talk about this, you can also use preposition in. Okay. Now this is what I wanted you to know about preposition at, preposition in, and preposition on. Now let us go to the next step and understand how many types of prepositions are there.